Hey guys, welcome back. Got a good one for you. We got some meat on sale, and this is at the Shaw's. Again, I always look at three locals that are in our area. I'm in New England, so we have again looking at $2.97 a pound for meat. You get uh, uh, bottom round, top round, or bone and chuck. Almost half price off $2 a pound. That's a good price for today. What else do we have? We have chicken roasters, drumsticks, thighs, leg quarters. The uh, the thighs are a great price at 87 cents. I know wholesale they're about $1.25. Um, the Also whole chickens. So that's a great price on chicken today, guys. Look at the discount, 62 cents, almost half. Salmon is about going average $8, $9, $10, $11 is for salmon, right? So we're doing good there. And actually, I saw this. This is a pizza. Now, when you look at the pizza, Signature Select. Now that's through Shaw's. Look at the sizes. A 12-ounce pizza for $3, or you can get a 33-ounce pizza for $3. Twice the size, twice the weight, more than twice the weight. But 125%, for a 33 ounce probably is an everything pizza. Okay, $3, $2 off. Good price on pizza. If you're a pizza lover, everybody loves pizza. What do we have here? 99 cents. I don't know if it's per unit or per pound. You got avocados, what do we have? Yellow and orange peppers. I would think that is a per piece item. Okay. Not a great sale, but there. Don't really look at chips. Bacon. Bacon, great price, right? They're limiting two. 3 pounds for under $9. That's, again, $2.97 a pound. So you have to get a 3-pound package. But bacon for 3 pounds, guys, celebrate. Celebrate. What do we got over here? Our famous market basket. We got some petite sirloins, $5.99. Save a couple of bucks. I always look for the half price. So if this is $5, I'm looking for $5 off. $1 off on boneless pork chops. Now, they are center cut, so that's a good thing. They're not an assorted. Assorted is less money. Assorted you can get for 99 to $1.49. These are center cut. I like them thick cut. 36 ounces chicken pot pie. Okay. 32. There's a 2-pound pie for $6.99. You think about it, $3.50 a pound for something to heat and serve. Here we have Sam, a little pricey. Haddock, okay. He's only saving $1. Fish is expensive today, guys. Tomatoes, all right. Cheese is okay. Usually runs about $5 a pound today. Corn, 89 cents for a small can. Not a great price. Chips have gone up in price. Again, look at the size unit, 12, 13 ounces. I mean, these things used to be $2, but as you know, everything's gone up. Chunk white, not light, so that's white meat. 4 for $5 is a good price. Sunkist, name brand. You're saving a $1.68, I believe, on the 4. These are 5 ounces. I get a light tuna for $1 at my dollar store. And that's great protein, guys. I did a video on that. 20 grams of protein and no fat. Healthy. On a salad, beautiful. Don't promote bread, but $3.50 a pound. That's why I don't promote it, because you can make it better. Ice cream, good price. Usually is about $1 more, and it says save $1. How's that? See, as you guys start to look at these every week and understand pricing, you'll be better at this, at shopping. Save money. A penny saved is a penny earned. What do we got here? Ribeye steak, $6.99. Look, save $7. There's a winner right there. If you like ribeye, guys, right? $6.99 a pound. You know, you go out to a restaurant and you pay $20, $30 for a piece of steak. You know, a 16-ounce ribeye over a charcoal. Boy, you know, I'm gonna go get one of these and I'm gonna make a video on that. I'd like to put it on the fire. What else we got here? Ham shank, which is the bony part of the thing, is okay. Look, half price, right? You could do a boil with that and let it fall off the bone. Carrots and potatoes and onions on the last hour of the cook. Takes about 2 hours, 3 hours. What do we got? We got some salmon here. It's a Gulf of Maine, all natural. So it's a you know, they actually farm these in the ocean now in cages. So it doesn't say fresh caught. There's shell-on shrimp. That's not a great price. Got some grapes here. What else do we have? Carrots. Baby cut carrots, 2 for $5. 2-pound package. 4 pounds of red potatoes is okay. Potatoes are about a 50 cents a pound thing here. Remember, you can get those on sale and keep potatoes in a cool, dark place. Swiss, prices up there. You know, they say save $3. Nope, we like this ham over this ham. And we have whole chicken, 99 cents. It's okay price. Stuff like that. So again, a winner with this. I like the ribeye steak. That's a good thing. You can also grind that into burger. But look how much money you're saving. Meat is a good value today, guys. You know, other things here, usually on the back. Mayonnaise is expensive. Not the healthiest thing to do either. I buy the little packets to make your Gatorades. They cost about 10-15 cents a piece, and then you mix them with your purified water. Parmesan, 8 ounce. Yeah, that's about going right. 16 ounce, $5 is kind of the going rate. Again, these here, antacids, I'm not familiar. Pepperidge Farms. Again, you're paying you're paying about $5 a pound for goldfish. Aren't you better off, you know, with $1.99 a pound meat than $5 a pound goldfish? You know what I'm saying, guys? All right, I think we have a great meat prices over here. $2.97 for roasts and all, what have you, slow cooked, and beautiful. Salt, pepper, garlic. You can inject garlic into your whole garlic into your meat, and slow cook. Slow cook. Okay, guys. Hey, hope this week helped you on shopping around. Stay healthy.